Good evening and welcome back to Bucha's Card Breaks. Tonight we'll be going into our third box of Flair Ultra Matriarchs of Marvel. Last box we had some pretty good hits with Rogue. This time we'll see if we can get any more fun stuff. I mentioned it last time, but these packs are just very loaded with hits. A lot of fun stuff, very fun to open. A lot of trouble getting into them so far, but there we go. Alright, so base Deathbird, base Nico, Lady Loki, Silk on the pink medallion, another Rogue. This is one of the 3x3s, and then a blue X-23. All the room I can get for all of these things, aren't I? Moira, Wave, Dagger, on the pink, a Force Nico, Medusa on the blue, and Jean Grey base. This one feels like it might have a sleeve. Yep. So I guess we'll see what sleeves mean. I think I had one with a sleeve previously. I don't remember what it was. So, alright, so we have a blue Titania. It's a base dagger. Yeah, I have a hard time telling the difference between the bases and the blacks. Cersei, Scarlet Witch, and a printing plate for Viv Vision. All right. Cool. I've never gotten a printing plate before, so that would be my first. cool. Scarlet Witch on the genetics. I was hoping to get that one. I like that one with Speed and Wiccan. She-Hulk on the blue and Tigra. Topaz, Elsa Bloodstone, Kitty. Why are you sticking? Okay. Nico on the, what is this called again? Silver Spectrum. Speaking of Spectrum, Spectrum on the pop culture. And Venus on the blue. Last pack on the left side. Mary Jane, Captain Marvel, Mantis on the Spectrum. Nope. Why are these sticking? That's black. Out of 2 out of 194. Spiral and Karma. Let's get about 1 black or 2 blacks per case. About 10 blues per case, or not case, excuse me, per box. About 10 blues per box. About 6 silver spectrums per box. Psylocke. Now the base Psylocke that I thought I had ended up being a black when I went back and looked. X23. Mirage. That's kind of a cool looking card. And on our orange we have Polaris. Out of 75. And then a blue Domino. Clea. It's a cool looking Clea. Silver Sable. Black Widow. Kate Bishop. Titania on the light blue and Psylocke on the blue. Cat, Lady Deathstrike, Satana, Jessica Jones, oop. Yellow Jacket, and Arachne. Ghost Rider, Kate Bishop, Valkyrie, Black Cat, America Chavez on the gold. I think that's out of 200. Yep. And then Miss Marvel, blue. Those gold ones look good. I don't know if I've actually gotten a Vision, just regular card. Aurora, Arachne, Nimarita. I'd love to get a sketch. Snowbird. Alright. Another part of one of the puzzles. And Colleen Wing on the blue. And last one. Oh, there's a thin one in here. Alright, so blue Ghost Rider. What is this? I do remember that card from previously. Black Cat. Storm. Another Ghost Rider. And then the thin boy is an ultrabilities Jessica Jones. Cool. She's looking fierce. Isn't that Captain Marvel's old uniform? Interesting. All right, well, we got some interesting stuff here. Ultrabilities. I feel like we get a pop culture, genetics, A-Force, at least one of those per box. 2 of these per box. Either an Ultra Abilities or something else per box. The printing plates are definitely not per box. Then a assortment of medallions and other colored things. So pretty fun. Once again, pretty happy with what we got. Don't know much about Viv Vision, but this is, like I said, first printing plate I've ever received, so I'm not going to complain. Pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for joining me once again. Have a good night if this is finding you at night. Nice day if it's finding you during the day. Stay safe out there and take care. Bye now.